Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm here in Cubao, Quezon City. So please join with me so that you'll see the new Cubao, especially during pandemic. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's go! FYI guys, Cubao south of Diliman is an important commercial area as its heart is the Araneta City along EDSA and Aurora Boulevard. It is a 35-hectare commercial estate owned and developed by the Araneta family. Department stores and retail centers can also be found here, such as Gateway Mall, Plaza Fair, Rustan's, Shopwise Supercenter, SM Cubao, Ali Mall, and Farmers Plaza. At the center is Smart Araneta Coliseum, often called the Big Dome. Cubao guys is surrounded by condominiums, BPO offices, schools, transport terminals, residentials, and commercial properties. Cubao is also the home of Cubao Cathedral, the seat of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Cubao. SM Hypermarket is located just outside the Araneta City, along EDSA. Nightclubs also abound within the Cubao area. There are residential areas ranging from the middle class to the upper class. Guys, Farmers Plaza and Gateway Mall are linked to each other, as well as the train station for everyone's convenience. Guys, that is Araneta Center, LRT station. And we're here exactly at Aurora Boulevard at konting tao lang dito naglalakad and few vehicles unlike before, so traffic, crowded, and noisy. Guys, I'm here exactly at the elevated walkways at konting tao lang dumadaan at may konti rin vendors sa ngayon. So, hindi katulad talaga dati na masyadong crowded dito at minsan may hirapan ka pang dumaan, lalong-lalo pag peak hours or sa gabi. So, titingnan na lang natin guys kung matapos na yung pandemic, baka dadami na namang tao dito. Okay guys, let's go inside Farmers Plaza for a while. Ayun guys, medyo alive na rin yung mall dito at marami-rami na rin nagsashop dahil nga sa upcoming holidays. So naghahanda na rin sila ng pangregalo. Yung guys, yung mga kainan rin dito, as you can see, konting tao lang din talaga kahit saan tayo magpuntang mga kainan around the metro. Hindi talaga crowded. Siyempre, iwas na rin sa COVID kaya limited lang talaga ang nasa loob. This is the Farmers Plaza Metro Station guys at nakalink siya mismo sa Farmers Plaza Mall kaya convenient din mag-shop dito. At sa ngayon nga guys, since Bonifacio Day, walang metro ngayon, sarado siya. Wow, ang ganda na rin ng overpass dito guys, ang linis na at may mga halaman pa. At ang laki talaga ng improvement ng Cubao. At guys, tingnan din natin sa baba guys, samahan nyo pa rin ako. Sa ngayon guys, hindi naman ma-traffic kasi nga it's holiday. So konti lang din ang lumalabas ngayon at nakikita nyo naman sa daan. Kaya napakaganda mag-travel ngayon. So dito na ako ngayon guys sa baba at makikita nyo naman konting tao lang talaga. At guys, sa baba ng Farmers Plaza Metro Station, drop-off point na lang siya whether you are from north or south. So yung pick-up point guys, nilipat na nila doon malapit sa Pitwa Zone. Kaya medyo malayo na rin talagang lakarin. As per my point of view guys, napaka-effective talaga na sineparate nila yung drop-off point and pick-up point. Kasi hindi na siya magulo, less crowd, at nakikita nyo naman. Kaya saludo talaga ako sa MMDA and of course the Duterte administration. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Dito na yung bus pick-up point guys at maganda nga dito, napaka-organized at malinis at sa harapan lang siya mismo ng SM Hypermarket guys. Ayun guys, yung stairs na pababa, dyan mismo ang sakayan. As you can see, maraming mga buses nakapila, so dyan tayo mismo pipila at sasakay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Keep safe everyone.